Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to be learning informal letter. So let's get started. Types of letter writing. There are two types of letters. The first being formal letter writing and the second being informal writing. Well, we studied about the formal letter writing in the previous video, so we will be learning informal letter. First of all, what is the format of the letter? To write a letter, you have to learn the format. Sender's address, so and date. Then salutation, or like greeting. Body of the letter, closing line, signature, and then that's it. So let's have an example of a letter writing. So the uh, topic of this is letter to your friend about how you celebrated Diwali. First, we will be writing our uh, the address and the date. Then we will give the greeting, dear, and then you have to write the name of anyone. How are you? I hope your families are doing great. I wanted to share how I celebrated Diwali this year. It was such a joyful festival. We started by cleaning the house and decorating it with lights and colorful rangoli. In the evening, we wore new clothes and performed Lakshmi Puja with our family. After that, we burst some eco-friendly crackers and the entire sky was shining with beautiful colors. Later, we visited our neighbors, exchanged sweets, and took lots of pictures together. My favorite moment was lighting diyas all around the house. It made everything look so warm and bright. I hope you had a wonderful Diwali celebration. Write back soon and tell me how you enjoyed yours. Yours lovingly, and you have to write your name. Thank you everyone for watching this till the end.